Storage and retrieval systems from Dakota Automation offer the most flexible panel handling solutions in the market. Each system is customized to automate the unique inventory management and material handling needs of our customers. This allows Dakota Automation storage and retrieval systems to be integrated with existing equipment and processes or implemented with new machines and facilities. Material is delivered to the system via forklift and is automatically put away in a designated location under the gantry. Third-party software will manage the inventory under the gantry and talk directly to the customer's MRP. Typically, systems are configured to either directly load panels into CNC equipment or utilize the in and out feed bays to create rainbow stacks for use with remotely located equipment. Our high-capacity 4-axis pick head controls panel movement and rotation. An active panel separation enables clean, single-panel picks, while our mechanical squaring system ensures that any angular or positional error of a panel is corrected. Whether you're looking to automate the material handling of a new process or maximize the efficiency of your existing equipment, learn how a Dakota Automation storage and retrieval system can work for you. It's automation with innovation at Dakota Automation.